In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Basecamp subscription quickly and easily. If you are looking for more features, more storage, or room for more users, upgrading is the best way to expand your project management setup. Start by logging into your Basecamp account. Once you're on the dashboard, scroll to the bottom and look for the option that says Buy Basecamp today. It's a bit subtle, but this is exactly where you need to go. Click it and you'll be taken to the page that displays all available subscription plans. Here you'll see different tiers, each offering its own set of tools and benefits. Take a moment to review them and think about what you need right now, whether that's managing more projects, adding new team members, or unlocking advanced features. Once you've found the plan that matches your goals, click Choose this package. You'll be brought to a confirmation screen where you can double check your selection. After reviewing everything, go ahead and click Buy Basecamp to move forward. You'll now enter the payment section. Simply add your billing details and make sure everything is accurate before submitting. When you're done, the upgrade will apply instantly, and that's it. Your Basecamp account is now upgraded, giving you immediate access to the expanded features included in your new plan. Explore the upgraded tools, streamline your workflow, and enjoy a smoother project management experience. If you ever need help or have questions, Basecamp support team is always available. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded Basecamp setup.